All right, boys and girls, today we are going to learn and discuss a little bit about cooperation. First of all, let's talk about our learning objective. So, our objective is that students will engage in a study of self, home, family, and classroom to establish the foundation for responsible citizenship in society. All right, so what do you see in this picture? So I want you to take a moment and use your eyes and take a look. What do you notice in the picture? You may pause this video to look at the picture and talk to somebody next to you about what you see. You may notice that there are some students that are carrying, what are they carrying? It looks to me like they are carrying a flag. Okay, what else do you notice in the picture? I notice boys and girls. I notice that there is some sunshine. I notice that there is grass in the picture. Okay. Today we are going to talk about a new word, and that new word is cooperate. Can you say that word after me? Repeat it. Cooperate. How do people best cooperate? So the word cooperate means to work together. Okay, so take a look at our photo. How are the kids in this picture, how are they working together? What are they doing together? That's right. To cooperate means to work together. So in this picture, the students or the children are working together to carry the flag. What would happen if they stopped carrying the flag, or if one person stopped cooperating and stopped carrying the flag? What do you think would happen? Yeah. If they did not cooperate well together, if they were not working together, then chances are the flag would probably fall to the ground. Very good. So it's important that we work together, that we cooperate together. So let's take a look. I have a quick little video that I'm going to show you about cooperating. So as we watch this video, I want you to think, how do people best cooperate?
How do people best cooperate?
It is good to cooperate because you can get new friends, like make new friends. Cooperate means work together. Does it mean to help each other? You work together to get along. Me and my brothers work together. We helped each other by building a project together. At camp, we work together. I clean up the house and I do the things what my mom asked me to do. Yeah, my mom always cleans the house, so I always help her a lot. I clean my room. I make my bed. Feed the pets. We clean up when we play games, and we clean up the backyard. Set the table. Well, sometimes I help with the dishes, and I sweep, and I dust, too. All the job that I do is homework.
All right. So just from watching that video, can you think of one way? Can you think of a way that those children cooperated with their families. I heard one boy say he helps his mom do the dishes. I also heard another girl or a little girl say that she helps her mom clean up around the house. So, in your own words, what does cooperate mean? That's right. To cooperate means to work together. Can you think of some ways that you work together at home? Do you help your parents with the laundry? Do you have chores that you have to do? Do you help clean the dishes or help cook dinner? What I want you to do is to engage in a conversation with a family member, like a mom or your dad, or maybe a brother or a sister, and create 5 different ways that students currently cooperate at home. So think of 5 ways that you cooperate or you work together with your family at home. If you don't, how about we come up with some ways that you can help at home? For example, down here in this picture, I see that this family is cooperating together. How are they cooperating together? What are they doing? They're all helping clean the kitchen. So that is one way that you can cooperate at home, is by helping your parents clean. Okay? How is this girl in this picture? How is she helping her? How is she cooperating? That's right. She's helping her mom by helping her do the laundry. So I want you to think or talk with a family member about ways that you help cooperate at home. You may pause this video to take some time to discuss it with a family member. Before we go, I want you to tell me or tell a family member, what does the word cooperate mean? That's right. To cooperate means to work together. So for your assignment, I want you to brainstorm different ways that you can cooperate with a friend or a family member at home. Try your best to illustrate one way that you can help cooperate with somebody at home, and try your best to write some words. All right, I can't wait to see what you come up with. See you guys later.